Hi, my name is Fazal Rahman and we are going to discuss how can we track an event from the OpenAI through the Google Tag Manager if you're running ads on the OpenAI, and how can you track the events in the browser and the server container. So basically we are in the Google Tag Manager. So this is the dashboard of the OpenAI. So OpenAI Ads dashboard. So for this you have to go to the tools, so you have to click on the conversion. So you can see that it is already a pixel is created and data source is created, but we will create our own data source. Like you have to click on the data source, so you can name it. So I can name it tracking data source. Okay, so we are tracking from the web, so you have to consider web, but there is a other option, because when I creating the account I just give the web option. Therefore, so you have to click on the create, and you can see that there is a setup code. This code will be provided you and you can put it in the backend. This is the basic pixel ID, so you can use it through the Google Tag Manager. So next, so these are the conversion names. So you have to create. So how much conversions you are sending from your website to this ad platform, to this for the optimizing ads. Like these are the categories of the conversion. So if for example in my case I want just tracking this button click, so for this there is no categories present, so I just put the custom name and I would give the button click. Okay, you can name the, you can use the custom event name. So then you have uses button click also present, and so you also the name it button click. Okay, so this is my event. So this is my event name, and so our tracking data source is tracking, so you have to click create. So this will be created. So how many events you are sending from the web through the Google Tag Manager, you have to create conversions for each. So this is the conversion API, so you can use in the backend of your website, and then you would use the duplications. So let me discuss again later. So you can see that we created the button click event. So data source is data tracking data source. So when you go to the data source, though this is our pixel ID, so we will use it. So first of all we have to come on our website. So I want to just track this button, so when someone click on this button it would be tracked. So for this I need the text. So for this I have to create a first trigger. So you have to go and click on the trigger configuration and click on the element, because we are tracking specific buttons. So you have to choose a variable click text. So in your case what you want to track, so this I am just giving the demo, so therefore I just picking that button tag. So you have to name it button click. Okay, so I have to save it. Now I have to create a tag. So in the normal case, this would not be present. OpenAI template would not be present in this normal case. So you have to, because I already added it, but in your new GTM container, this option would not be present. So how can we collect it from the gallery? So you have to go to the gallery. So you have to wait few seconds, and in the search bar you have to write OpenAI. So when you search the OpenAI and click on it, so you can see that OpenAI. So there are the two template is present. One is from Step, so other is OpenAI. This is official. So we already added. Say for your edits you have to click it, and there I choose template. So this is the basic template. So this need the pixel ID as we create the tags in the Meta, TikTok, other same like this require the pixel ID. So where you can, so which data source you are tagging. So I am choosing this tracking data, so which I recently created. So you have to copy this. Okay, this is copied, and you have to provide the pixel ID. Okay, so edit it. So what this so what event you want to send it, because we want to send the button click in all present, so we will create a custom. So button click. Okay, so you can use the event name which already present, or you can use custom event ID. You will use it when you are using server and the browser both. So this will require the event ID. So event ID would be attached with the both browser and the server container. It give the instruction to the ChatGPT that these both the event are the same. So in our case we are just tracking from the browser, therefore no need in recent time. So amount, currency, plan ID, so these are used when you are using the purchase number. So you have to go trigger it. So this is a button and you have to name it. So what would be the name? Button click. Okay, so save your tag. Okay, now our tag has been saved. So this is a conversion event, and this is the event stream. As your event would running in the real phase, it means from the someone click on the open AI ads, and then he will go to the website, and then he click the button. So this will show your data here. So we will check our data in the preview. You have to click on the connect. So click on this. So button click, I have to again click on the button. You can see that our tag has been fired. The ChatGPT. So you can see that our event has been received or not. So you have to go to the event. So just start. So you can see that our custom event, which a custom button click, has been received in the ChatGPT. So through this method, you can track all the events from the browser to send to the ChatGPT. So these events would be used to optimize the ads. So you